Forces out, we have Dancing Giselle. Pass to begin, and on the outside is Gentle Irony. My Hope is racing in third in the hay. Then comes Botbo and Sant'Antoni. We have Gentle Irony, the leader. Bayoraling Kanehampa. Dancing Giselle in second. Then on the outside third is My Hope alongside fourth in the hay. Then comes Botbo and Sant'Antoni. Is the early trailer. We have Gentle Irony. Bayoraling Kanehampa. Dancing Giselle still in second. My Hope is racing in third in the hay alongside fourth. Then followed by Sant'Antoni and Botbo is racing in sixth by a gap of 8 lengths of the leader. And that's still Gentle Irony by about 2.5 lengths. Dancing Giselle. Then here comes My Hope. Now trying to get closer in second in the hay. Sant'Antoni and Botbo. Gentle Irony still in front by Raling Kanehapa. Then wants to put the pressure on the outside. Now is My Hope. Dancing Giselle remains in third in the hay. Gentle Irony by the length. My Hope is on the outside second in the hay in third. As they come down at the last 150. And it's still Gentle Irony. My Hope is on the outside in the hay. Then comes Sant'Antoni. Gentle Irony this time once again back to 3 lengths. And in second, My Hope in the hay. And finally, it's Gentle Irony. My Hope in the hay. Sant'Antoni, Botbo, and Dancing Giselle.
25